Hi guys, susugod karon magtanaw ko sa Incredibox Sprunky. Si Orenberg na nakadisgrasya sa aksidente. Sunod ang mga Sprunkies mag-survive sila mag haunted na school ba? Sugod ta. So na siya margian bali na so yan ni hourglass tanaw na to be. So morgmao na ang part guys, morgmao na ang part na horror na nana. Loy man ang taon oy.
Going on? Who are you? It's been ages since I've had.
Oh, so na-trap di si morg horror na winda sa hourglass ba? Tanaw na to be.
Guests or a meal. Run!
Patay gid ni oy. Magigutom siya. Haunted na horror na gid ngano ka napod sila nang eskwelahan na no. Kani ba i-upload na may dugay na kay ni ay.
Run, everyone! Don't stop! The monster is in the air vent.
Oh my god, patay si Raddy. Mark si Raddy mo yung muna mapatay. Oh, si Raddy gid mo una mapatay.
Please!
May gani giluwas si Ori ni Clocker sa symbol niya.
We don't have time to stand still. Let's find somewhere to...
So guys, si Raddy ba napatay siya una? Siya yung una na mark na kaon ba? Kaon una si Raddy.
hide. Over there!
Patay sila gisarado ang mga putahan tanan. Maglingaw ay sa tinuod ay kay magtugu-taguan ba magduwa. Tagu-taguan.
What are we gonna do? Escape me! Don't resist! It's useless!
Hold the door! I'll find something to block it! Huh?
Oh my god, kadaghan oy. Daghan kayog mga objects gibutang para i-block.
Maybe we're safe for now!
What are we gonna do? I don't want to be caught!
We'll surely find a way!
It's your fault! You touched the hourglass and put us in this mess! Turn us back to normal!
Alright, bitaw. Magsala bitaw ni Oren. Basin si Oren jud ang protagonist diri na episode.
It's my fault! Red is gone! This isn't the time to argue!
Oh my god, padung na ang monster.
Today is your end! Are you okay? You saved me. I'm truly sorry for putting you in danger. I'll do everything to save you. No! Veneria! No!
Oh my god, guys, si Vineria sa napatay. Oh my god.
Veneria, please! Don't leave us! Jesus! We need to get out of here! Nuker! Run!
Si Silver, si Mercy Clocker na sad oy. Agoy, hutan gid sang tanan.
I can't leave you behind!
Don't think I'll spare you just because you're crying!
Go! You all must survive! Nuker! I'm so sorry!
Oh my god, si Clocker oy.
We'll never escape this place!
It's my fault. All of this is my fault. I put you all in danger. I'm the one who deserves to be punished.
What good is crying? Because of you, all our friends are gone!
Si Oren na lang si Pinky, patay si Pinky na pod. Si Oren na jud nabilin, but Mark siya jud makaayo tanan.
Let my friend go!
You're quite bold! You can't save me! Just stop!
No, I won't give up!
No, Oren!
I'll make you suffer even more! I'm the real sinner!
So si Oren nilang nabilin guys. Magsulti ko sa neod ba? Si Oren ba? Paborito siya na kung character ay. Versi yung protagonist aning salida ha. Sugod ta.
No! I can't accept this! I have to set everything right!
Don't be in pain! I'll help you join your friends!
Berg mo na ni guys, Berg siya makaayo tanan.
No! That was my last hope! How am I supposed to save you all now?
Guys, mauna na guys, Berg naayuhan na niya tanan.
Huh? Guys!
Orin,
Wow guys, salamat sa pagtanaw. Na-count gid kong Oren niya. Paborito gid akong character si Oren. Kay Orange akong paboritong color. Bye bye guys, subscribe niya.